Now that we have successfully installed our PeachTree software, you will find this icon on your desktop screen. I'll just open it, double click. Now when you open it first time, you will see a welcome screen. You can just close it and show do not and check on do not display that again. So after that you will come on this screen. Now there are options. If you already have a company, you can open an existing company, otherwise we will create a new one. Also, if you want to practice on some sample data, you can explore a sample company, or you can convert from another accounting program. So I want to create a new company. I'll click on create a new company. Now you will find this wizard that you have to complete. First is create a new company. This wizard will walk you through creating a new company. You will be asked about the company name and address, business type, accounting method, that is cash or accrual, accounting periods, and fiscal year. So I'll click next. Now choose a PeachTree product. There are a couple of products, but the product that has the most functions is PeachTree Quantum 2010. Now in PeachTree, you will not find newer versions of PeachTree because it is acquired by Sage, and after that there is not much development in it. So 2010 was the last version of it. I'll just click next. Now here comes the wizard where you can mention the company name. So we will use this first assignment, that is Zen Traders, that is a trading company, as our practice. So name is Zen Traders. I'll just give the name Zen Traders. And address and city, all the other fields are not compulsory. Only this field is compulsory, which has a asterisk sign with it. So I'll just continue with it. You can enter later on when you find the information about it. I'll just click next. Now here comes the option, select a method to create your company. Use a sample business type that closely matches your company. This is the most ideal option. That's because if you have a trading business, it will automatically create all the required ledgers for it. You can also convert existing setting if you have in another accounting PeachTree company, and you can convert from other accounting program, or you can build your own chart of accounts, that is ledgers, from the scratch. This is only designed for accountants and advanced users, it is mentioned. So most ideal is this one. I'll continue with this one, click next. So here it will show you all the possible business types. If you have a construction business, so I'll just select construction, and it will create all the related ledgers or accounts that is related to construction industry only. So this one is also good. We have detailed type account types, and you can see caterer, business management services, many options are there. But we have a simple car trading business, right? Now you can choose from any of them, but if you don't find any particular category suitable, then you can just scroll down and you can select on unified chart of accounts. It will create all the general kind of chart of accounts name that is suitable for almost any business. I'll select this and it will create this chart of accounts. I'll click next. Now choose the accounting method, accrual or cash basis. Most companies use accrual, and it also mentions the definition that income is recorded when a sale occurs, regardless of when you actually receive the money. Normally, for example, sale occurs in January, but the cash related to that sale is received in February or later on. So accrual says that you have to record sale on that month because it is related to that month, whether even if it is on credit. But cash basis says income is only recorded when the actual money is received. So normally all the businesses buy and sell on credit. So this is the most accurate one, accrual basis. So I'll just continue with it, click next. Now there is option of posting method. In real time, each transaction is posted as it is entered and saved. Means it will automatically start affecting your final reports. So this is real time. Batch means that the transactions are saved, then posted in a group in a second step. This gives you a chance to review for the accuracy before posting. Normally what happens is when you enter transaction for a client, especially in freelancing, Real-time posting is not very suitable because when you enter the transaction, it is posted and affect all the accounts. So if you have made any correction, it will be shown in the audit trail that you have deleted that entry or changed that entry and then posted again. So it is not also good for audit purposes. Smart posting allows both of the functions. So we will just go with it, and it is also recommended by PeachTree. So click next. Now the accounting period structure is normally of 12 months, but you have to select a shorter or longer period of account if you have just implemented it. But I'll continue with 12 months accounting periods because my opening is of 1st January 2020. So I will create the accounting period from 1st of January to 31st December. So click next. Now it will ask you for the same thing, that what is your starting date. So I'll enter the opening balances from January 2020. So this is my starting month, and click next. And finally, you are ready to create the company. Click finish. So it will create the company and data files. It might take some time. So now my company is created and it will open these screens. I'll just close this one. Okay. Close this one. Okay. And close this one. So this is my main screen or my dashboard of PeachTree. So you also create the company until this point, and then I will explain you further what to do after that.